Welcome to this lesson. Today's topic is the word after. This word is very common in English. It helps to talk about time and order. Let's learn how to use it in simple ways. The word after is a small but important word. It tells when something happens. It helps to show what comes next in time or order. After means next in time. It tells that one thing happens following another thing. It helps to show what comes later. For example, I go home after school. This means first school happens, then going home happens. After shows the order of time. Another example is, I read a book after dinner. This means dinner happens first and reading happens later. After connects the two actions. After helps to show the order of events. It tells which action comes first and which comes next. It helps make sentences clear and easy to understand. After can be a preposition. A preposition is a word used before a noun to show time or place. For example, after lunch or after the meeting. In these sentences, after comes before a noun to show when something happens. After can also be a conjunction. A conjunction connects two actions or ideas in one sentence. For example, I washed my hands after I cooked. Here, after connects two actions. It shows that cooking happened first and washing hands happened next. After can also be an adverb. As an adverb, it means later or afterward. For example, I will call you after. This means the call will happen later. After stands alone and means later in time. There are many common phrases with after. These phrases have special meanings and are used often in daily English. The phrase, after all, means in the end or considering everything. For example, she came to the party after all. It means she came even though it was not expected. The phrase, after that, means next or following that event. For example, we had lunch, and after that, we went shopping. It shows what happened next. The phrase, after a while, means after some time has passed. For example, he felt better after a while. It means he felt better later. After is the opposite of before. Before means earlier in time, and after means later in time. They show different parts of time. For example, I brush my teeth before bed, and I sleep after brushing my teeth. Before shows what happens first, and after shows what happens next. Here are some simple sentences with after. I eat breakfast after I wake up. She goes to work after she gets ready. They play after school. More examples, we rest after lunch. He studies after dinner. I watch TV after finishing homework. Each sentence shows time order. More examples again, she smiles after hearing good news. He sleeps after reading. We talk after class. These show actions that happen later. Here are some tips for using after. Use it to show time order. Use it before nouns or actions. Remember, after always means later. Some common mistakes include using after when before is needed. For example, I eat after breakfast is wrong if the meaning is eating breakfast first. Always check the time order. Quiz time. What does after mean? Does it mean before something or later than something? Think about it. The correct answer is later than something. After always shows that one thing happens later in time. Another quiz. Which sentence is correct? I sleep after dinner or I sleep before dinner. The correct sentence depends on the meaning. If sleeping happens later, I sleep after dinner is correct. It shows the right time order. Let's review. After means later in time. It can be a preposition, conjunction, or adverb. It helps to show what happens next. Keep practicing using after in daily sentences. Try to make your own examples. Practice helps to remember and use it naturally. Thank you for learning this lesson. Understanding after helps to speak and write better English. Keep practicing every day. The more it is used, the easier it becomes. Keep learning and improving step by step.